Hey everyone, are you ready to learn how to raise chickens and enjoy fresh eggs in your backyard? You're in the right place. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll share step-by-step tips on how to start raising happy, healthy chickens. Whether it's for fresh eggs, pest control, or just a new hobby, we'll cover everything you need to know in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. Before getting chickens, check your local laws and zoning regulations. Some areas have restrictions on the number of chickens you can keep or may ban roosters. Not all chickens are created equal. For beginners, I recommend Rhode Island Reds, Buff Orpingtons, or Plymouth Rocks. These breeds are hardy, great egg layers, and easy to care for. Your chickens need a secure, comfy home. A good chicken coop should 1. Protect them from predators like raccoons and hawks. 2. Offer at least 4 square feet of indoor space per chicken and 10 square feet in the run. 3. Include nesting boxes for eggs and perches for sleeping. Chickens need proper nutrition to thrive. Use a high-quality layer feed and give them access to kitchen scraps or grains as treats. Always keep fresh water available, especially during hot weather. Keeping your flock healthy is crucial. Clean their coop regularly, check for signs of illness like droopy feathers or low energy, and provide dust baths to prevent mites and lice. One of the best rewards of raising chickens is fresh eggs. Collect eggs daily to keep them clean and encourage your hens to lay more consistently. Raising chickens isn't just about eggs, it's a fun and rewarding experience. Spend time with your flock, and you'll quickly discover their unique personalities and quirks. That's it! Raising chickens is easy, fun, and so rewarding. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more chicken keeping tips, and drop a comment below. What chicken breed are you planning to raise? Thanks for watching, and happy chicken keeping!